Rainy Lake right here. Look at that slab Nick just caught. What do you think of that, Nick?
I like it.
That didn't take long, did it?
That's a beaut, Clark. That's a beaut.
That is an awesome crappie. I didn't put a tape on it yet, but I've seen enough of them. I'll bet you that's a 16-incher. Woo! 15 3/4, 16.
Oh yeah.
We literally just set up the electronics, just put the bait down for the first time. Bam! Still had the reel in compact and folded handle mode, so Nick hand over handed him. Are you having any fun, Nick?
Oh yeah.
All right, let's get another one. Over and out.
And I said, he's mine, that one. Got a wild, exciting and some. It's no surprise what he's done. He's every last bit of my old man's son. And if you knew me then, there'd be no question in your mind. You know he's mine. Yeah, he is. Friday night football games, living for the speakers to call the name on the back. Number 37, just 145 and 5'11", maybe. Limelight barely shined on him, but everyone still remembers when he whooped up on that boy way bigger for taking that cheap shot on our little kicker, and they threw him out. Oh man, you should've heard me shout. I yelled, he's mine, that one. Got a wild-haired side and then some. It's no surprise what he's done. He's